繼續翻到嚟我哋 IAL Physics 每日一條問題系列，咁啊跟住睇到呢個 experimental setup 咧，應該都好熟眼㗎啦，好 classic 㗎啦，就係講有粒波子喺啲液體度跌落去，跟住度下佢個 terminal velocity 嘅。咁我今日唔係想講 part one 啦，因為 part one 都係背書嘅啫，寫翻嗰啲 experimental 嗰啲 setup，用幾條橡筋啊，用個 stopwatch 嗰啲。咁我哋今日係想講呢個 part two 嘅。就係話點解用一個大啲嘅 sphere 係會 increase 個 percentage uncertainty of 個 terminal velocity 咧？咁其實咧，首先要 get 到嘅暗示就係大啲嘅 sphere 咧，個 weight 咧係會大咗嘅。咁然之後咧，大家記得翻喺呢一款 setup 入邊咧，其實嗰粒 sphere 咧係應該有3個 force 喺度嘅。第一個就係 drag force 向上嘅，第二個係 up thrust， 跟住就係 weight 啦。咁喺 terminal velocity 嘅時候咧，佢哋應該係全部係 balance 嘅，因為佢已經冇晒 net force 令到佢加速啦嘛，所以咪叫做 terminal velocity 咯。咁所以你寫翻啲式嘅時候咧，就應該係 drag force 加 up thrust balance 咗個 weight 咯。咁所以啦，而家 weight 如果 increase， 即係而家用粒大啲嘅波子嘅話咧 ，up thrust 係唔會變嘅。然之後咧 drag force 咧應該就會升啦。咁但係你諗翻 Stokes law 或者其他 law 都好，呢一個 drag force 咧，其實一定係會 proportional to terminal velocity 嘅。咁所以當 drag force increase 嘅時候咧 terminal velocity 亦都會 increase 啦。咁所以 terminal velocity 就 increase 咯。咁即係代表緊咧個波子由呢一個位跌到落去下邊嘅位咧嘅時間咧應該會快咗啦，因為佢而家用一個大啲嘅 velocity 嘅 travel 嘛。所以 time of falling 咪跌咯。咁然之後最後4分加1分係咩咧？就係諗翻 percentage uncertainty。其實 percentage uncertainty 係咪應該會等於呢一個 absolute 嘅 uncertainty 除翻一個 measured value 啊？咁今次咧佢話換一個大啲嘅波子嘛，但係我哋依然呢兩個 measurement 入邊咧都係用一個 stopwatch 去做嘅。咁所以咧absolute uncertainty，which is depends on 個 instrument 㗎嘛，就會 decrease 咯，就會 remains the same 咯。咁但係個重點就係話，因為而家個 measured value 跌咗嘛，咁所以除完出嚟嗰個percentage error 咪會大咗咯 ，uncertainty 啦。